Welcome to Chateau de Lalande's Advent Calendar Vlogs, where every day of December we'll be showing you how we prepare for Christmas here at the Chateau.
Yep, we've got loads of tricks and tips for you, and if you don't want to miss a thing, hit subscribe, click the notification button, and you'll not miss anything.
Here's today's video. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Today we are going to be making canapé desserts. In France, we always have the bûche de Noël, and so we're going to miniaturize the bûche de Noël and make it in various flavors for guests.
And we've managed to find a clever contraption that's going to help us a lot.
It's mainly why we're doing that, because we found this really cool mold and we want to have an opportunity to play with it. It's here. We've never used this before.
Okay, so when you order this, you get a little box, and inside is everything you need to make mini Yule logs.
It comes with this mold, which looks quite complicated. We are going to use one recipe that actually comes with the mold, which is a gin and tonic Yule log.
Oh, that sounds
I know,
fantastic.
it sounds too good not to try. And then we've invented a couple of other recipes ourselves. One will be chocolate based and one will be chestnut based.
Okay, let's get cooking.
We've got a chocolate sponge here, which is just a normal sponge with cocoa powder in.
Okay, perfect. And what's this?
This is icing sugar and mascarpone and kirsch.
And what's this?
Just a chocolate ganache to go over the top.
Perfect.
This is really fun. It's a bit play school.
Probably need a smaller spoon.
Is this one small enough for you?
That's the tiniest spoon I've ever seen. I can barely see it. Shall I squidge it down?
Squidge it down. This is the thing I'm most excited about. Squidge. I've never had so much fun.
Don't get out much, clearly. Into that one.
Looks good.
Fantastic. Let's cut that out. We'll try and go right to the edge so we don't waste as much. Perfect.
Perfect. We also have an orange sponge
Oh.
for the gin and tonic one. With the orange one, there's been a little issue.
What's the issue, Steph?
It was way too thick, but I knew it was going to be because just as I was pouring it into the mold, I realised that I'd made twice the recipe by accident.
Ah, and you didn't think to just leave the rest
No.
to one side?
No.
But you just poured it all in?
Just popped it all in.
Ah.
So we now have an inch thick base. You might want to slice that in half.
Should we do that?
I'm glad you're doing this. This is where we need an artist's touch. Shall I help you with that bit?
No, this piece is wasted. I don't know what
Yeah, no, I don't know what we can do with that. I just can't think of anything to do with it at all.
So basically we're just stuffing our faces. Oh, all these wasted
Oh,
bits.
such wastage.
What are we going to do with those?
We finally stopped eating the sponge long enough to finish filling the moulds, and we popped them into the freezer to firm up overnight.
What do you think, Steph?
We've only gone and done it.
It does look quite pretty, doesn't it?
There they are. We left them in the freezer overnight, and we have 3 different flavours, so they've been decorated in different ways.
So this one's been decorated with holly and leaves and just looks quite traditional. This one's just been decorated with icing sugar and then some little bits of grated chocolate. This one we sprayed with a copper edible food spray. And that gives them a sort of metallic shine.
And this is the gin and tonic.
That's the gin
so
and tonic.
the outside is tonic and lime jelly, and the inside is orange and gin jelly. And this one is chestnut cream on the outside, and on the interior it's just plain, very thick crème fraîche.
That one's been decorated with cocoa powder and little bits of edible gold leaf all around the edges.
Luckily, we've left ourselves a test one. Right, Michael, I'm going in.
Tell me what it's like.
Oh, it looks good. You can see the crème fraîche in the interior.
Is it very good? You're going to enjoy all of it.
Oh, maybe sometime.
We need some guinea pigs, Steph.
Let's go find guinea pigs in the entrance hall.
There's some little squeaky guinea pigs in
Squeaky
here.
ones?
Yeah. Oh, there they are.
I'd love to be a guinea pig. Excellent.
It's a gold leaf.
Oh, yes. Yes, it is gold leaf. I'm glad you noticed, Ian.
It's sparkling.
I've never eaten gold leaf, so this will be a first.
David, are you wildly excited?
I like the ones that look a bit like Dougal from the Magic Roundabout.
I'm quite curious about the ones that look like jellied eels.
Jellied eels? I'm guessing you mean the gin and tonic jelly.
Oh, score.
Okay, Donna's getting a jellied eel. That's Dougal, so that's going to David.